This week's assignment was interesting to use Access. I was unaware that it's not compatible with MacBook, so instead I'm on my brother's laptop for work, which is why I could not download the program to use this week to record. So with Access, it's really useful in creating a database. And so what we had for this particular assignment was to create a database of 5 students. I chose to make up fictional students in this case. So what I did was I went to create application parts and we went to contacts right over here. So it gave me a format here and I chose to go into table settings for contacts and I inputted my information after I was able to delete the rows that were unnecessary. So if we right click, we can delete the fields that were irrelevant. And from that point, we narrowed it down to last name, first name, email address, mobile phone, address, city, state, province, zip code, and notes. So for this particular assignment, I made up my 5 students here. And what we were asked to do was to view the program in, if we look over here, that's design view. We wanted it in data, in database view. So data sheet view. So you can see that right there. So once I had inputted my information, I then wanted to go and sort the table from A to Z last name by last name. So we have now alphabetically, our names are in order. The next filter that I wanted to apply over here was with my notes column. I only wanted to show the students who had a Spanish major, like I have. So if we go here, text filters equals, and I wanted it to be for Spanish. I selected OK, and that created another filter. So these are the only 2 names out of my students that had the same name, same major, and it narrowed it down just like that. So once I was done, I had to save, and then we wanted to delete the queries and forms. So by right-clicking over here, query, I was able to select query, and I went to delete. This gave me the option for information. It says, do you want to delete the query context extended? Yes. Same for the reports and forms. So again, we selected the category of forms. Okay, I wanted to get rid of this one here. Delete. Yes. Again, delete the next one. And last but not least, I wanted to delete this 3rd form, as well as the reports over here. So once we deleted on our home tab, we could not undo this, but that was fine because that was what we wanted to do for this week's assignment. So I learned how to use this entire program. It was all new to me. I had never used Access. I actually never saw it on any of the computers that I've used before. So it was definitely useful in terms of organizing information for databases and things of that sort. And everything in this feature was new. However, a lot of the features kind of relayed from Excel in terms of the filters, the sorting, and things like that, which was helpful in using Access as well.